Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Chakraborty and today I will present Unpacking Early Burnout to Predictive Rebound as a step toward caregiver burden management, completed under the supervision of Professor Nazmur Saki at Kennesaw State University. Caregiver burnout is a major challenge in long-term care and affects both the caregivers and the care received. Common symptoms including emotional exhaustion and anxiety, sleep problem, and chronic fatigue. As the US population ages, caregiver demand is increasing rapidly, but available resources and support systems are not keeping pace, making burnout more likely and more harmful. So why early detection is needed? Caregiver often works long hours with limited time for self-care. Burnout usually appears late when symptoms have already become severe. Most existing intervention focuses on managing burnout after it occurs, and many rely on self-reporting, which delays support. However, we address this gap by exploring how data-driven and early detection can help identify burnout risk it becomes more overwhelming. So research question, we focus on two questions. First, how can we identify the most important features that contribute to burnout using feature selection methods? Second, how can these features help us separate low burnout and high burnout cases to support workload balancing and personal support? We use enhanced caregiver dataset which includes caregiver hours, health indicators, relationship details, and workload patterns. After pre-processing the data, we apply 3D feature selection methods like GBM, XGBoost, RFE, and forest to identify the top predictors of burnout. Then we use PCA and linear SVM to visualize how burnout and non-burnout feature caregivers divide in feature space. Key feature identification across all models, the mode influence predictors are caregiver relationship, caregiver age, and the follows schedule variables. These features constantly show strong statistical significance and low correlation with each other, meaning each contribute to unique information to predicting caregiver burnout. It was for LightGBM, XGBoost, and RFE with RF. Using PC and SVM, we observed a clear pattern. Non-burnout caregiver clustered one side, while burnout caregiver shift toward the other side. Caregiver near the SVM boundary represent early risk cases. Identifying these individuals early allows for protective intervention before burnout escalates. So in future work, our next step is to build an iOS-powered iOS application that offers real-time caregiver support. We have also planned to integrate adaptive telemedicine features and conduct longitudinal studies to validate the model in real-world settings. Conclusion in summary, our study shows that early prediction of caregiver burnout is possible using key demographic and behavioral features. Caregivers then have follow schedule constantly emerged as the strongest predictors. This approach supports protective data-driven intervention that can help prevent burnout instead of responding after damage is done. Thank you.